This is the 1999 Honda CRV. It boasts of 60,126 original miles. It is powered by the reliable B20B 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. I did want to point out before we get started, this will open the rear hatch, just so you're aware. It will open the top glass, and then you can open the bottom part of the door. All right, this vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles. Right up here, 96,765. That is the kilometers. The miles on it again is 60,126. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll start with the driver's side. If y'all do have any questions, you can visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can give us a call at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions y'all might have. I did want to tell y'all thank you so much for the continual support. We do appreciate each and every one of you guys. If y'all do have a chance and you haven't already, please go and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are constantly getting new cars in, and we will keep you updated. Thank you so much. Have a blessed and safe day.